Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to add your own voice on Suno AI. First, open the Suno AI application. Now tap on the create icon that you can see on the screen. You'll be able to create the song over here. You can see over here you can enter the lyrics and style. You can also generate it by tapping on this icon that you can see on the screen. Now after that, if you want to use your own voice, what you have to do is tap on the audio button that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to upload the audio, or you can also record the audio. If you want to record the audio right away, tap on the option record. Now record the audio in your own voice. Likewise, you can upload it by tapping on the option upload. Now what you have to do is simply find the audio that you would like to upload over here. Tap on the option save. Now after you do all that, tap on the create button that you can see on the screen. Wait for a while. Now once you do that, the song with your own voice will be generated over here. Like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you use your own voice on Suno AI. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.